the fourth stage, huh? Yes? Okay, we have the compressor starts from here. That's where the air gets in. Up to that point here. That's where we have the compressor. Up to that point here, we have all the squeezing and sucking of air from the atmosphere coming in. And then the next thing that happens is the second stage. The second stage is actually the combustion chamber. That's this part here. That's where we have air fuel mixture gets in there and burning takes place in here. And then the next thing is we have exhaust air coming out, and then this part here is called the turbine. That's the turbine. Okay. When the exhaust air comes out here, comes out here, runs the turbine. This turbine is connected to it's attached to a sub connected to the fan of the compressor. Okay. So once the turbine is running, the sub connects the turbine to the fan of the compressor. So the compressor is running simultaneously with the turbine here, okay? And then when the hot air gets out of the exhaust, we have an action reaction, that Newton's third law of motion. When there is an action, there is a reaction. So when the hot air gets out of the engine, it tends to push the aircraft forward. Is that clear? Okay. So with the temperature ratio, it's basically the ratio between the exit temperature and the inlet temperature, or the ratio between the different temperature of the different stages and the pressure. Okay, what happens here is, what happens to the temperature and the pressure of the hot air coming out here? Is it high or low? Is it high or low? It's very high. Yeah. Temperature and pressure, they're directly related. If you have high pressure, it's also high temperature. So when the hot air gets out, the pressure and temperature of the air is very high. So when it gets out, okay, it tends to push the aircraft forward. Okay, another thing in here is you might be wondering, burning is taking place in here. The temperature in here is very high. It's even beyond the melting point of this metal here. Okay, what happens here is when the air comes in through the compressor, it also provides a sealing between the burning and the metal itself. Okay, it provides a sealing between the metal and the burning itself, so it acts as a layer once the air comes in. So this one is not directly affected by what's going on in here. So burning takes place on its own, and this material here is just outside, so it doesn't has a direct effect. The temperature does not have a direct effect. So we have hot air coming down, and turbine here, turbine is started to the compressor. So just one of you put your hand in and try rotate the pen there. You will see the turbine here is also going to move. The middle one, you see the fan here, the turbine here is going to move. The middle one, you see? When you move it, okay, it's moving on this side, huh? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, actually, it's the opposite way, yeah? Opposite. When the hot air gets out, it runs the turbine on this side here, and then this turbine is running the compressor on this side. So they are attached to a common sub.
Oh.
I have this clear, yes? Okay, that's basically what happens. It's a four stage, huh? And then the thermodynamic cycle that happens in here is the Brayton cycle. Brayton cycle. We say it's a cycle because whatever comes in is as the atmospheric pressure comes in. When it goes out, it's also atmospheric pressure. Yes, so it's like start and finish is the same thing. So it's undergoing a cycle. That's why we say it's a thermodynamic cycle. So it's called a Brayton cycle, a Brayton engine cycle. Okay, okay, that's what it is. Stop here.